This exposed mountain bike trail is over 20 kilometers long and the whole track is harsh and rocky.
Oh, that wind is scary.
Let me show you how we ended up here on this brutal, unforgiving track. You may remember on the last ride video, I rode a magic trail along some stunning coastal cliffs.
Woo! I just saw a whale. Woo! Yes.
We left this undisclosed location and continued up the northwest coast of Western Australia.
On the way to Shark Bay, the flies are bad.
So excited.
The beaches here are so beautiful and the dolphins are rad. It's been a couple of weeks now with no riding. I can't wait to get back on my mountain bike. And that brings us 1,252 kilometers north of Perth to a small resort town called Exmouth.
What's up? This is going to be an epic adventure ride. Woo! It's going to be extremely rocky and exposed, and there might even be wild dingoes. This is the beginning of the single track that's going to take us over the ranges all the way to the Ningaloo Reef, where there's some of the best diving in the world. If we survive this trail and the wildlife out here, we'll be rewarded with an unreal ocean experience. I'm so keen, and I'm so stoked to have you guys come along for the ride. Let's get into this beautiful rocky single track. Mangus. Whoa. Check out these old school drops. So I'm guessing this is a two-way trail. Yeah, we won't be coming back this way. We've got to hit these. They're too iconic. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go. Oh, she's loose. 1. Woo.
Woo, that's a sick way to start your day. It's so easy to get carried away out here on the trail, but I have to be extra careful. Things like heat stroke, injury from a crash, or even a flat tire could turn into a real problem when you're this far away from help.
Look at all this spin effects. Is it like really that sharp? Ah, yeah.
And that's not being very careful.
It's a harsh environment out here too, where you can tell only hardy things survive. That spin effect is freaking me out. Whoa, that's a sick canyon.
The landscape out here is unlike anything I've ever seen. Sharp rocks and plants surround the trail, amplifying the consequences of overshooting a slippery turn.
Oh. Yeah. Whoa, it's another cool little canyon thing. Hell yeah, this is so sick. We've just made it to the turn off for Hal's Bells, so I think it's tough. It's tough out here. The climbs are hard. I'm pretty sure Hal's Bells is a 30 kilometer black loop trail, so I'm gonna come back for that one. I'm cooking already, so I'm hell keen to get in that water. Let's keep pushing on. Oh, I've just got a mad headwind. Oh. Wow, very rocky. 15 k's to go, 336 meters in climbing, max elevation 127. Oh man, my brain is just shaking over all these little rocks. I'm running about 40 psi on my tires because I'm scared of getting a puncture, but I'd prefer to have a headache than a flat, so we'll just keep going. I think we're about halfway, so we'll chill here for a bit. No snakes. I'll show you what I bring along for a ride like this. It's my new camel pack too, and it's pretty rad. 3 litre air track. It was only like 40 bucks. There's some things that I've forgotten, and there's some things that I've packed that I don't usually bring. Brought my drone, get those sick cinematic shots. A bandage, so paranoid about snakes. This magic shine light, you never know what could happen really. Batteries, snacks, and I brought this Telstra dongle. If there is an emergency, hopefully with this dongle, I can contact someone to help me. Oh no.
After a very undulating start, the trail now starts to deliver some loose and technical descents.
Whoa, whoa. Hell yes. Oh, so sick. Woo! Oh my God. Yes. Oh, so good. Yeah! Oh man! That was mad. Fuck, surely there's a dingo den around here somewhere. I'm usually pretty good with dogs. The trail's gone from being rocky to white and rocky, just as long as you get there, yeah? Sucking the life out of you. Someone's even swept the rock for us. We still got to get over those mountains over there. Whoa. I'm just taking it nice and easy because I don't want anything bad to happen out here. Whoa, shit. Whoa. Yeah. I think I'm on the trail. Oh, far out. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh man, this looks like it's an old creek. Oh man, I'm gonna chill here for a minute because there's some actual shade. Oh, sand. I wanted an adventure and I've definitely got a coffee there. Keep chipping away at her. Everything is harsh out here, including the climbs. Fucking next level. Has to be a mountain goat to get up this shit. Yeah, we're getting closer to the ocean and you can see how blue that water is. It's pretty magical and I can't wait to submerge myself into it. I've had a few people ask me how they can support the channel and we have a brand new way. So now we have YouTube memberships. It's literally less than $1 a week, so it's bugger all. You have early access to the videos so you won't need to wait till Wednesday or whatever day I drop them. We would absolutely love you guys over on the memberships page to build a sick little Froff dog community, and it will help us keep this travel mountain biking channel alive. It looks like there's going to be a sick as descent on the other side of this hill, so hold on and I hope you're loving the video. Oh, yeah, we're going down. Here we go. Yes, I'll remember to take it easy. Bye. Oh yeah. Whoa, that wind is scary. Oi! Oi! Rocks! So good! Yo! Yes! Oh, what a mad descent! Woohoo! We're almost there! This is a one-way trip. I'm meeting the family down here. Let's just dive right in. Oh yeah, just finished off. Don't forget to subscribe for more mountain biking adventures. Oh, I can barely tell this master. If you enjoyed this one, you might enjoy this cliff ride I did not long ago. It was so mad, another epic experience with crazy wildlife. Check it out. Thanks for watching.